gusto mo mag-start na mag-work from home at mahilig kang gumamit ng social media. So, why not become a social media manager? Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Yes, you don't need experience. We start with the foundations before tools. This class prepares you to offer services confidently na may clear messaging, clear role, clear value. You see, clients follow clarity. I strongly believe that social media management and marketing is not just about being artistic. Kasi bumibili ng tao ngayon kapag mas genuine nilang naramdaman na nakakonect sila sa product or service na ino-offer nyo. Networking in social media management and marketing is all about connecting with people, understanding their problems, and being very clear with your message. And surprisingly, kapag pinag-uusapan yung tungkol sa mga trainings namin, lalo na dito sa SMM, ang lagi nilang tinatanong, may tools ba kayong ituturo? Of course, but tools come after thinking. Kasi tools change, but having the right strategy stays. Kaya nga nasabihan yung SMM class namin na #pinakang juicy because walang hype. Simple lang ang atake, pero naiintindihan ng mga newbies. May clear na before and after transformation. And I also want to emphasize that social media management and marketing is on a retainer income. It's not just virality. So if you're thinking about offering social media management and marketing as a service bilang virtual assistant, stop overthinking and start now. Mag-join ka na sa class namin this coming Saturday, 999 pesos lang yon. May kasama pang 2 weeks na internship at yung output mo, girl, yun na yun, portfolio na yun. And since you will learn how to manage brands and not just likes, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin para sa sarili mong brand. Para mag-join, check the link in my bio or pwede kayo mag-comment dyan ng SMM and we'll send you the link. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!